Hey friends, stir-fried potatoes with broccoli, peppers and onions make a sumptuous side or vegetarian dish for a perfect weeknight dinner. The addition of fresh herbs in this recipe elevates everything. I have ready prepped ingredients to go with this delicious recipe. Into this shallow pan, add olive oil, onions, just slightly sweat this, add garlic, bell peppers, onions. Season with salt and pepper. Add some fresh thyme, reserve, some rosemary, a touch of parsley. Continue sauteing the peppers and the onions until they just barely start softening, and then we are going to remove. Into the pan, add broccoli, cover and steam the broccoli for about 3 minutes. Remove everything into a dish. Into the pan, some more olive oil. Turn the heat slightly up. Add the potatoes. Quickly cover and steam for about 5 minutes. Add the reserved thyme, rosemary, some of the parsley. The potatoes are getting there. They are already softened. Back into the pan, broccoli, peppers and onions. Give a good stir. Finish this deliciousness with some parsley for garnishing. A good extra virgin olive oil. Set this on the table as a side dish or serve individually as a vegetarian dish. The rest of the parsley. At this point, you can also drizzle some more olive oil if you so wish for richness and flavor. some of these potatoes. Peppers, broccoli. Wow, these potatoes are just so good. The dish comes together just so nicely. It's so delicious. You can supplement it with some rice and you get yourself that delicious dish. If there's one thing that I've learned from this, it's just how many times or just so many different ways you can approach just one ingredient. Just a simple potato, you can make it in so many different ways. Check out on my channel on various ways that I've used the potatoes, and you can never get enough of them. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Leave me a comment down below, a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe please. See you in the next one.